Alright guys, so we're going to graph the equation of a line here. So once again, when it's solved for y, it's a little bit easier. Because when you solve it for y, it's already in the y equals mx plus b format. Which means you have your slope of 2/3 and your y-intercept of 2. Your y-intercept is always your starting point, so it's 2. We're going up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. We're down 2, left 3, down 2, left 3. And we draw our line. And every single point on this line will make this statement here true. That's why we draw that's why we draw pictures of lines. It gives us a picture of an infinite amount of answers. When it's not solved for y, we have to solve for y. So we subtract 3x on both sides, divide everything by 4. And here we get negative 3/4 x minus 2. My y-intercept is negative 2. My slope is negative 3/4. So I get a negative 2. I go up 3, left 4. Down 3, right 4. And we draw the line. And that, my friends, is how we graph the equation of a line.